slice the meat, just do this way, like that, and cut like this. See, slide, cut into slide, and very thin. So this is it, guys, very thin. See, so very thin. Alright, marinate only the salt, black pepper, a little sugar, it's up to you, garlic, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda, it helps to tender the meat. 1 egg, a little oil. Mix it. I'm avoiding the soy sauce. Then you're gonna taste it. It's good for salt. Then I'm gonna marinate this. It's up to you. You overnight or not. It is ready to refrigerator. Hi everyone, welcome to my Nidski channel. Today I'm gonna make a beef teriyaki vegetable. My ingredients. This one is sirloin beef. I already marinated. We got teriyaki sauce, cornstarch, green onions, sugar, sweet bell peppers, except the green one, that's bell pepper, and bouillon cubes, ginger, garlic, and onion. That's it. The one I'm gonna make today. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. Just circle and circle like this. Only the bottom of the pot. Make sure it's only wet. That's it. Now it's already hot. You can feel it. All. This one bell pepper. And then the red pepper. Put all together. Just like you need to saute. Cover a little bit. Make sure it's cooked. Open. Put some pepper. Salt, a little sugar. No, I have no measurement there. It depends when you taste it. Mix it. No, that's it. At least like a little tender. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put a small oil in there. Make sure you need to flat all the way in the skillet. Already hot, and you need to put the meat little by little. Make sure it's flat. Become brown, you need to flip over. So one by one, you're gonna flip over. Right, they're already brown. Golden brown. The next. Alright. Now if you think that the oil is too dry, you need to put like a drop of oil. That's it. Don't too much. Because we don't want too much oily. There we go. This is it. But don't throw away the oil in there. Leave that like that. We're gonna saute. Ginger, garlic, and onion. This is the time to put the meat. Alright. Cover for a few minutes. Okay. It's the time to put the teriyaki sauce. See that? The teriyaki sauce. It depends. Don't pour all, just like little by little. And I put a cornstarch in there. A little sugar. Yummy. There we go. The vegetable. That's the one. Guys, it's done. Guys, that's the one, and we're gonna sprinkle the spring onion. This is beef teriyaki vegetable. Thank you for watching. Hope everybody's doing great. Shout out to all my subscribers, my viewers, and my friends, and also the people watching my channel. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. God always bless you and take care. See you next time. Be safe. I'm gonna try a little bit because my daughter gonna pick this up. She has a guest. Wow. Like a Chinese food. Tastes good, guys. Tastes good. Now this is ready to go. I already called my daughter to pick them up, my oldest daughter. Thank you, God. I made it.